Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So friends, in my today's video I'm going to show you two easy ways to create French roll hairstyle that you can create very easily within 2 minutes. I hope you all like this hairstyle. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, share, comment, and if you are new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you are already my subscriber then thanks a lot for being my friend. So let's get started.
What's left, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. No,